My name is Claudio Espejo. At Cab Calloway School of the Arts, I teach piano. Yeah, the assessment requirements consist of repertoire, scales, proficiency in scales, sight reading. So for middle school and high school, I give different levels of sight readings. And then we finish with some questions about interest, whether the students will take private lessons while at Cab and be committed to improving as a musician while at Cab. Definitely take private lessons. I've had a fair share of students that come here to their audition without taking private lessons, and what will usually happen is that they don't really know what they're doing. So if you just have a private teacher for about 6 months or a year, they will have introduced you to most of the stuff that we do on the audition. And so it will be greatly advantageous for you to do that ahead of the audition rather than wait after.
Some advice that I would give is to definitely be challenging to yourself and find music that you might enjoy or genres that you might not expect playing, because you'll find something you'll enjoy.
To assess for my major, I took a test involving sight reading and other things, and I also played performance pieces.